Hello people and welcome back, and look, I gave the old place a bit of a lick of paint and some lights and things like that. I'm still trying to figure out how to get the best light in here, but you know, I'm sure I'll still be doing that years from now. But hope you like the new look. Now this one is a bonus video. Oh yes, you're getting an extra lesson this week, 4 this week. It's ridiculous, isn't it? I'm overworking myself. But we're celebrating because it's 30 years since Temple of the Dog's self-titled album was released, as of yesterday. So we already had Call Me a Dog, acoustic version, and now we're going to be looking at Four Walled World. And this one was requested by Chad Ward. There he is. Now Chad's a patron. If you don't know what patron is, go check it out below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to focus on Stone's parts in this one, and he is playing in open D tuning. So we've got... D, A, D, F sharp, so that's down half a step, A, down a whole step or 2 frets, and D on the 1st and 6th, so they go down 2 frets. You're also going to need a slide. It's quite like a precursor to deep, some of the riffs in this. You don't have to have one, but hey look, I'll chuck one on. Because we've got some fun stuff going on there. So you can also laugh at my slide playing as a bonus. Now, the first part goes like this. And the riff's pretty simple, right? You're going to play... pretty bluesy, but it comes in like this. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to play 0 and 3 on the D with a slight bend. Little quarter step bend, really. 2nd fret on the B, or A as it now is. And then the kind of top 4 strings, or, you know, 2, 3, 4 strings, whichever. Then 2nd fret on the top string. Hammer 2nd to 3rd, and then hammer, pull off, 2, 3, 2, 0. And then you play the open 2 and 1 string. And you let that ring out. So slowly. 2, 3. All right. Second time you'll notice that he does 2 palm mutes on the D, right? But he does mix it up, but most of the time he's going to play 2. Alright, with that. Cool stuff. In the verse, you basically abandon that part. And you just play 2, 3, 4. That's the bulk of the tune, but there are 2 other riffs that involve the slide. So you don't have to use the slide, you could just use your finger, right? But with the slide, the next riff goes like this. 2, 3, 4. And round again. So without the slide, you're going to go 7 to 9. And the rhythm's quite specific, right? So it's... play that round 3 times. The third time you add an extra 7 in, I think, because it's kind of stops the note dying. And then down to the 5th fret. So so you play 2 of these. Then that's the extra bit. And then down to the 5th fret. And then you repeat that around. Pretty basic stuff, right? The next riff is tricky. It's a bar of, I think, 13/8 and a bar of, and then 2 bars of 6/8, okay? So it goes a little bit strange. It goes like this, though. There's a bit of a fill in there as well, right? I think actually Mike plays those. I've tabbed it anyway. I think Stone though stays on the 12th fret. I think easiest if we split this bit into 3 parts, right? So the first part would be... That's the first part, okay? Pretty straightforward. 7 to 9, a slide, and then 3 more. The next part is this bit. Okay? But with the slide, you get that really cool sort of like someone bouncing on a trampoline and coming back. Try that again. And then and this is the weird bit actually, even when you break it into 3, you're going to get this. You get that at the end. So slowly. That's how it sounds, right? It's a strange rhythm. See if you can do it though. So it's... That's the rhythm, right? Then you go up to the 12th fret. Which is just that rhythm. But then you got this cool little fill. So that's 12, 14, 12 on the 2nd string. Then the 12th fret on the next string down. Slide from the 10th to 12th. And then the 12th fret on the next string down. So you end up on the D. So put that in there if you want. So Stone basically plays this 3 times. And then on the 4th time he plays. Woo, started to get a bit pitchy there, didn't we? Well, I did. So that is just snipping off that last bar of 12 and going down to the 11th fret. And then down to the 9th fret. so deep, isn't it, right? And I mean that in the sense of the Pearl Jam song, but maybe also in the spiritual sense also. Now, the outro is basically 12, 11, 9. And repeat. And you're done. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.